Hi everyone, I'm Zhao, a study abroad student in the US. Welcome to Learn English with Zhao, where I share my campus life and simple English for everyday use. Let's begin. The first day of school. Good morning. Today is my very first class in the United States. This day is truly special. The first day of the new academic year, and also the day I officially begin my master's journey in science, technology, and society at MIT. I feel both nervous and excited, as if a long-held dream has finally come true. I have a small to-do list stuck right next to my desk, so I won't forget anything for the day. First thing, go to the bathroom to wash my face, brush my teeth, and do my skincare. While getting ready, I also listen to a short English podcast to keep my listening practice routine. At first, I still feel a bit tired due to jet lag, but small steps like drinking water, making my bed, and skincare really help me wake up fully. Today is also when I officially step into a completely new study routine. Here's my very first semester schedule at MIT: Foundations of Science, Technology, and Society. A core course that helps me understand the relationship between science, technology, and society. Technology policy and innovation, analyzing how policy influences technological innovation. Qualitative research methods, training in interview techniques and sociological data analysis. Elective seminar, a small seminar with a professor, focusing on ethics in artificial intelligence. The schedule is quite packed, but I believe it will be exciting since it's exactly in my field of interest. The most important thing is to keep balance between studying, research, and self-care. I know many of you are also preparing for your study abroad journey. Here are a few small tips from my own experience. Keep a morning routine. Whether it's skincare, listening to podcasts, or writing a to-do list, start your day with something that makes you feel awake and focused. Prepare for change. Studying abroad isn't just about knowledge, it's about learning to adapt. Connect with people. Don't be afraid to start conversations. You'll realize you're not alone. Take care of your health. Academic life is demanding, so you'll need both physical and mental energy. Today, I chose a simple white shirt, layered with a navy cardigan since the Boston morning air is a little chilly. Dark jeans and white sneakers, both neat and comfortable for lots of walking. For accessories, just a watch and a thin bracelet. A clean and minimal style, perfect for a graduate student. A light touch of perfume to add confidence. Double-check my backpack, laptop, notebook, water bottle, and the book I'm currently reading. Quick breakfast in the dorm's shared kitchen, a slice of toast, a boiled egg, and a hot cup of coffee. Finally, I put on my backpack and leave the dorm. The path from the dorm to the classrooms at MIT is green and fresh, a little chilly but very pleasant. With every step, I can clearly feel that I am right in the middle of an academic city where ideas can truly change the world. In my Foundations of Science, Technology, and Society class, I sat next to another international student from the Netherlands. He asked,
"Hey, is this your first semester at MIT too?"
"Yes, it's actually my very first day as a master's student. I'm in Science, Technology, and Society. How about you?" He smiled.
Same program. I was a bit nervous, but it feels better knowing I'm not the only new one here.
During the break, A group of new students started chatting. An American student talked about the difference between small seminars and large lecture halls. I shared my habit of listening to English podcasts every morning to practice, and several classmates eagerly asked for the link. At first, it felt a little awkward, but after just a few simple questions like, "Where are you from?" or "Why did you choose STS?" the room felt warmer and friendlier. I realized that studying abroad isn't just about knowledge, it's about learning how to connect. These small conversations are what make MIT feel less distant and more like home. That's how the first day of my master's journey begins. Just an ordinary morning, yet so incredibly special in my heart. Grammar notes. Here are some useful grammar points from the story. 1. Present simple for routines. I have a small to-do list. I listen to a short English podcast. Use present simple to talk about daily habits and routines. 2. Present continuous for temporary actions. I'm in science, technology, and society. I'm currently reading a book. Use present continuous to describe what is happening right now or around now. 3. Past simple for past events. I felt a bit tired due to jet lag. I realized that studying abroad isn't just about knowledge. Past simple is used for completed actions in the past. 4. Future intentions with will and going to. I will have a lot of school vlogs for my junior year coming out. I'm going to start a completely new study routine. Use will for promises, predictions, going to for plans, intentions. 5. Useful questions for conversation. Where are you from? Why did you choose STS? Is this your first semester at MIT too? These are common small talk questions in a classroom setting. Thanks for watching Learn English with Zhao. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell to follow my study abroad journey and learn English in the most natural way. See you in the next video.